everyone, it's Tiffany. I'm unboxing the Disney 100 Surprise Capsules. These are by You Me Toys. Then we're gonna remove these portions. As you can see, it's labeled number 1. Portion right here that's labeled number 2, and then on the back it says number 3. Let's get started. Remove number 1 to find a scratch off. What I like to do is I like to go into my kids' penny collection and pull something out. I'm hoping for Pinocchio, but I can't find that pressed penny, so I got Sully with the hopes of getting the Monsters Inc. Sully one. Let's see what we get. Okay guys, I think we got the rare one. There are actually 14 to collect, and there are 2 Chase figures. One of them is Tinkerbell and the other one is Mickey. Clue is heat activated. What the image is with the heat of your fingers. Have Mickey's left hand, prize number 3. So we're going to be able to find out what we have based off of the sticker. So we already know it's Mickey Mouse. We have Mickey Mouse. But if I flip this part over, it's going to tell me what number. It could be either number 1 or number 14. I want to be surprised, so I'm not going to reveal this. I'll show this after I unbox this. This is the backing card that you could find inside. It has Mickey Mouse and it says Disney 100 number 1. I don't know if it's going to give it away, if it's the Chase or the regular one yet. Okay, so we have a silver camera. Oh my gosh. With Mickey Mouse in the camera. Bag number 2. Oh my gosh, guys. I think we have the Chase. It's a silver balloon. This is exciting. The moment of truth. Is this the Chase? It's the Chase. I pulled the Mickey Mouse Chase. Look how cute he is. And this is a beautiful figure. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Now let me show you how to put everything together. Now, from the beginning till end, the unboxing experience is fantastic with these Yumi toys. I don't know if you've ever unboxed anything by Yumi before, but any license that they have, literally, it is so much fun. Here is Mickey on his stand. Awesome. To turn over that base, and look, it says number 14 on it. That is pretty awesome. Now, don't forget to put your sticker on. You're going to put your sticker on right over here. That is exciting. So, unfortunately, I am not sure how to pick these parts because they do come randomly from Amazon, but thankfully Amazon hooked it up this time. What I like to do is I like to put everything inside so I don't lose it. So we have all of our little surprise reveal portions right here. Turn this part over and then place the third lid on it, or this side as the base. I'll keep it as the numbered side, and you put your backdrop on. There he is, Mickey Mouse, the man of the hour. The Disney 100 Surprise Capsules do not disappoint. I am so happy. Now I need to just grab that limited edition Tinkerbell, but here's my entire collection that I purchased from Amazon. These are sold as 2-packs, making them great gifts. So they are packaged together as 2-packs. You can easily separate them if you're purchasing them for 2 children. You could separate them so easy. Love these so much. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be collecting the new Disney 100 Surprise Capsules by Yumi Toys. Oh my gosh, I got Mickey Mouse. Awesome.